Oh my goodness. These are crispy. The meat is juicy and so satisfying. You're gonna love every bite. I'm gonna show you how to make the best beef tacos. Let's get started. Finely chop up 1 medium yellow onion. Do your best to avoid tears. Also, finely mince 2 garlic cloves. For the best flavor, I always recommend using fresh garlic cloves instead of pre-minced. It just has that extra punch. Now it's time to fire up the stove. Set a large skillet over medium-high heat and add your ground beef. I'm using 85/15 beef here. You don't want it to be too lean or too fatty. Break up the beef as it cooks and saute until it's starting to brown, or about 4 minutes. It's best to cook that beef first, otherwise after you add onions, it does add moisture. Now we're gonna add those diced onions and continue cooking for 3 to 4 minutes or until the onions are softened and the beef is fully cooked. You shouldn't have to add any oil unless your beef was super lean. Stir in your garlic and cook for another 30 seconds or until it's fragrant. Now add your taco seasoning. I'm using my homemade recipe and I will link to that in the notes, but store-bought works fine. Also add tomato paste and stir that together for about a minute or until everything's evenly coated. Reduce the heat to a simmer and let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes uncovered. Your mixture should be juicy and lightly saucy. Cover your taco meat to keep it warm and we're gonna make the taco shells. I have a full tutorial on how to do this, but it's super easy. Just pan fry in some oil for about 15 seconds per side. Ooh, still steaming. Our beef is ready, our taco shells are done, and I've got all my favorite taco toppings. It's time to build some tacos. We're gonna start with our crispy shell. Add lots of beef. And this makes 8 generous tacos. And it's so easy to double it too for a party. And then the first thing I put on is cheese because I like how it melts onto the beef. And then whatever your favorite toppings are. I love some crisp iceberg lettuce. Just adds extra freshness. Diced avocado, fresh tomatoes, or you can use pico de gallo, which we have a really good authentic recipe on my blog. Ooh, you know what I forgot? The first thing that I do on the beef really is a squeeze of lime juice. It just adds some freshness, gives it a little zing. We're gonna do a few jalapeños, and these are always risky. I feel like it's either super mild or super spicy, so we'll see what I end up with. What else did I miss? Some cilantro. I don't know how I'm gonna eat this, I'm making it way too big. A little bit of sour cream. I love sour cream on my tacos. It just adds that coolness to every bite. And your favorite hot sauce, whatever that may be. I like this Cholula. Add a generous amount of that, and then we dig in. I'm scared. Okay, here we go. I can do this. I feel like I'm gonna lose half my taco. I better take my plate with me. That is a serious beef taco. And I wanna know if you guys are team soft taco shell or hard taco shell. I personally find this completely irresistible and it tastes authentic when you fry them this way. I have to take another bite. Oh my goodness. These are crispy. The meat is juicy and so satisfying. You're gonna love every bite. 10 out of 10. I hope you guys love this beef taco recipe. Let me know if you have any requests for more recipes, and I will see you in the next episode of Natasha's Kitchen. Also, let me know where you spotted Sharky. All right, bye now. Oh my gosh, now it's on my nose. I can feel it. I guess you can say things are getting pretty serious.